Hi Jim, this is an update on the case email flows and or automation, and this is the first flow used to send a new case notification via email, and it's triggered when there's a creation of a new case with the record type for SF support. And one thing I'm still unsure of is how you can dynamically grab this instead of hard code it, considering it's for the start conditions which happen before the flow even begins. So I will keep looking into that if we need to. And then it uses the email alert, new SF support case has been created, and this input value is the record that triggered this flow. So looking at that email alert, wrong one. Looking at that email alert, it's the recipients of this, like we discussed last time, is the new field I created on case, which is internal user. So you can select, it's a lookup field, so you can select whether it be Christy or whomever sent the case to be created via email. So this one used the email template that I created, and this is a Lightning template actually that I used using the enhanced email and all those features that come with Lightning outside of Classic. So here's what it looks like. I kind of took inspiration from what we talked about, the Salesforce support emails. So the logo, and then the announcement of a new case and which case it is, and some information about the case that are similar to the previous email alert, and then finally a button to click to the link of that case itself. As we discussed last time, we decided that it would be best to just use a workflow rule instead of a flow for the creation of or the notification when a new case comment is created, just because it was getting a little too convoluted and complex. So this workflow rule looks at the record type name and if the case comment was changed or updated, created new. So here this workflow rule uses the email alert here, which again is sent to the internal user. And this one uses the email template that looks similar to this. It's very similar to the previous one. What's really changed is the announcement of a new support case comment instead of just a case, and some additional information including the comment and its subject. But again, you can use this button to click to the link of the case. So now I'll demonstrate what it looks like, how it functions when you create a new SF support case. So here, clicking into new, indicating it's SF support, and I'm going to leave most of the things the same, except this is a flow test and a description briefly, because that's going to also show up in the email. And finally, we have to select an internal user. And in this case, I'm going to select myself so that we can look at the email next that gets sent. So saving this. Alright, after it's been saved, I just heard my email notification go off, so clicking into that. And here it is. The subject line is a new SF support case, and this is what it looks like. Exactly how the template intended it to be, and it was created by myself. And using this button to click into the link of that case. And here we have it. That's the case that we just created. So now I'm going to demonstrate how the comments work. So a new comment. I'm just going to type in the body case and save. And because I'm the internal user, I should get an email, and that was the email being sent. Here we go. This one is titled New SF Support Case Comment. Looks very similar. Gives the case number, tells you there's a new case comment, and the subject, and then the comment that was typed. And again, you can click back to this case using that button with the case number on it. And here we have it. We had also discussed the idea of creating assignments based on certain criteria for either you or me to be assigned to a case. And here I left one being equal to SF support, of course, and then this rank equals 1 or 2, meaning it's an outage problem or has to be resolved within a matter of a very few days. And then I assigned the other ranks to myself using this case assignment rule. So going back to the cases, going to click and make this rank a 1. And give it a little description. And this internal user I'm going to send to myself again so we can look at the email, or better yet, I can send it to you so you can take a look at it. Alright, and we're going to assign using the active assignment rule and save. So here you can see the assignment rule assigned it to you because it's a rank 1. And you should have received, because you are the internal user, you should have just received an email of a new case notification. So let me know what you think, and if you have any suggestions, appreciate it. Bye.